traders, welcome back to another video. This is Source Forex. To everybody that is new here, remember, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more knowledge like this. So this is a video of how to utilize two time frames to your advantage. You can choose any time frame of your choosing. The first time frame will have to be for the market structure and behavior. Then the second time frame will have to be the entry time frame. Okay, so for today we're gonna start with the 4-hour time frame, one of my favorite time frames to use. Okay, because it has a lot of it doesn't contain any noise. It's very clear and straightforward. So once you understand what you're looking for in this 4-hour time frame, you can drop down to your entry time frame, because remember, on this time frame, the 4-hour, you have to understand what behavior, what is the current state of the market, what is it doing, what am I looking for. Okay, so what do we have here? If we come from this history that is here, the market was pushing bearish, and now we are currently in this area of interest. Okay, so we're gonna look at it from these levels, okay, that the market created. So we have a higher level here. Okay, then we have a level below there. Basically what we're spotting is lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, just like that. Okay, so if you can put it, because the market made a lower low, lower high, then broke this level here. If we trace it back, what broke this level is this one. Okay, then again, if we can consider this and this, though these are minor zones, okay, we have this level here. For the fact that the market did not close in that level above, which makes it still valid. So this came all the way down. What made this break? We trace it from there. Then this was a higher low, again a lower low. Then we have this level here again. Okay, remember, these are just directional zones. If you don't understand about this, you can get our 3 confluence booklet. It explains everything clearly, okay, in terms of how to identify higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and whatnot. Okay, so we have that break here. What caused the break was that we have another level there, and if the market changes behavior or changes character, it will start making higher highs, higher lows. So as you can see, the market will make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, somewhere there. But we can consider this some form of change of character, because it broke above this lower low and started retesting something else. Okay, so we have this level again. Okay, but yet again, now it broke again below this other level. Okay. So now you don't have to overcrowd your chart, as long as you understand what the market is doing. Then now there's a different change of behavior again. If you look at this was the level here. Okay, what prompted the break of that structure? We have this level here. Okay, somewhere there. You have to really keep trading simple. You don't have to stress yourself about things that you don't understand. You have to understand the basics. Okay, so we can even change this to a line chart for you to understand properly. for for it to be easier, really. Okay, once you understand to say what zone is there, what is the market doing, where did it turn and whatnot, if you desire you can change, but it is very very clear to understand, like the market make the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low somewhere there, as long as the previous low is not broken. This low, as you can see there, okay, we can shift it there somewhere there, yeah, okay, made a high, broke this level, made a new high. So up until the current market structure, you understand, okay, the market is making high highs, high lows, high high, high low, high high, supposed to make a higher low and not break any of these levels below, then we can consider to say the market is still pushing bullish, remember. But what happens now, we have a break of that structure, this structure here. What caused this break was this one here. Okay, you don't have to start from very far the way I did. I just wanted you to have a clear perspective of where the market is coming from, okay, and where the market is headed to. So according to this, what is the current structure of the market? So it was making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's supposed to make a new higher high, but it failed. So now made a lower low, lower high, sorry, this is a lower low. Okay, we have a new lower low here. What does this imply? The market has changed character. Okay, so we have that there, put it there, put it there. Okay, so after a lower low, what do you expect? A lower high. What caused this move to the downside? Was this level here. Okay, or you can even indicate this other level here. Sorry, I didn't see this one here. Okay, so that level, what caused that? This whole bullish bearish move here. Then now it's coming back. What caused this break of structure here was this candle here. Okay, this candle here. Basically what you are trying to understand is what the market is doing. Is it making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs? So now from here it was lower low, lower high, a new lower low, lower high, lower low, unless it starts to break these levels to the upside like this. If you have something that starts going like this, let's say it starts to break this, starts this behavior, then we know that now the market is pushing bullish. Okay, so as of now the market is bearish. We understand the character of this market. Okay, so we, after we have understood to say we are pushing bearish as far as the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we have phases in the markets. There are two phases. There's the push phase and the retracement. So let's say for example the market is making lower lows, lower highs. We have a push phase, we have a retracement. We have a push phase, we have a retracement. Push phase, a retracement, just like that. So what you need to understand is, what phase am I currently at? In as much as we have identified the behavior of the market to say the market is bearish, but what phase is the market at? Because this was the push phase, this is the pullback. So currently if we go down to a smaller time frame, let's say the 15-minute, we'll find that we have what we call a bullish trend because of what the market is doing currently. Okay, so we can go down, we understand the behavior, we understand the character. Our entries are based on the 15. So on the 15 again, we have to understand, has the market finished the pushback phase that it was doing on the 4-hour? Okay, so as you can see, what is the market doing? It's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, up until we have a change of character on the 15-minute. That's when we can say, okay, this market is now pushing bearish. So we have level here. You can choose to even tick them on a different color so that you don't get confused. Okay, it's very important that you understand the character of the market that you are trading on. This is some serious business. So high high, high low, we have a higher high there. Okay, this level here. Now you don't have to overcrowd your chart. Okay, as long as you understand what it is that you're doing and what the market is doing. High high, high low, a new high high. We have a higher low. What caused the break of this? This one. This, we have a higher low somewhere there. Okay, this level here. So do we consider this a change of character already? That might be the case that we're looking at right now. So again, market was making high highs, high lows, high high. It was supposed to make a higher low, or it is still making a higher low, because the lowest point that we have is this one. Okay, so now if this level here didn't if it had pushed way up, then we could have considered it to be a valid level as well. But as you can see, the market just violated it and broke below. Okay, then made that. So now we have this level as well. Okay, and that prompted this break here. Then we have this level below here. For you to understand what I'm doing, if for those that don't understand, I have a trading booklet that I'm only selling at $40, and in that booklet all this information is there for you to properly understand what caused this break, this level here. There was a bullish, bearish candle, so we can have our zone here. Okay, this is an entire zone that the market is likely to test before heading to the downside. Okay, so as you can see, unless if the market breaks above that level here, this level, then we can consider that the market is still pushing bullish. But if this candle closes bearish, then we have our sell position there. Our stop loss will be somewhere above there. Then our TPs can go as low as this. Okay, because why? The 4-hour time frame is bearish, and this is what we are looking at. Okay. I hope you understand the whole entire analogy of this type of trading. Remember what the market does. In simpler terms, if the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but you know the funny thing about the market is it won't make them as clear as you would think this is. So what we're simply picking out is levels that are important. Okay, those that caused a significant move for us. So there was this level that caused the push to the upside. Then we have a level that caused the break, was this one, and another one there, just like that. Okay, so this is what we are simply looking at. It's nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary, just picking higher highs and higher lows if the market is going up, just like that, as we follow it to the upside. The same applies of what we are doing here. So it's just a simple understanding of what market structure is printing and what the market is doing. Okay, so basically this is a type of trading that you can do just with 2 time frames. You don't have to complicate everything. Okay, so oh, by the way, if you get the booklet, I give you a free robot, a free system. You also add it to my trading community, so that you can have a better understanding of certain things. Remember, the aim is to help each other grow as traders, because I remember the time I was starting out, no one was there to help me. I was just trying and error made a lot of losses. Now I'm not saying if you join me you won't have losses. Losses are part of the game. I also lose sometimes, but if we lose in a strategic way, at the end of the day we're gonna make money. Remember, a paper day keeps poverty away.